The sorry skeleton of London's Battersea Power Station echoed to the snarl of rally exhausts early in 1996 when the Mobile 1 Top Gear British Rally Championship was launched.
Welcome to you all. Welcome especially to the members of the media who are here, and welcome and thank you to the motorsport people from manufacturers, Ford, Peugeot, Honda, Skoda, VW. A very warm welcome. We're here to celebrate the launch of the Mobile 1 Top Gear British Rally Championship for 1996. Rallying's got it all. It's got thrills, it's got spills, it's got it in spades.
Tapio was looking forward to the coming battle.
Now I have been driving Volkswagen 2 years, and it's been one of the best cars that I have ever driven.
What do you think are your chances in the British Championship?
I'm very confident that we can get a very good results. I mean, this car has been very reliable, it's very good to handle, we have good tires, very good team.
And then there was a chance for the journalists to experience a works rally car on a special stage.
It's all very much a lot of luck out there when you start and get onto the stages and start to do the actual rally. But we're fairly confident we've got a good mixture of car, driver, team, the whole thing. We're going to win the British Rally Championship. There's no two ways about it.